Wait, something is hovering near your drink right now. Can you spot it before it suddenly flies away quickly? Look closely. It moves fast and feels a little scary. This is a wasp, and it is closer than you think. In kids learning videos, we explore tiny creatures like this. This learning video will help you understand what it does. Wasp. This small flyer has a very important job. It has a thin body and moves with quick, sharp turns. Why do you think it moves so fast near you? Can you follow it with your eyes without blinking? Its body is narrow and shiny, almost like smooth armor. This shape helps it fly quickly and change direction easily. How does a small body help it move so well? Try turning your body fast and feel how balance changes. Its wings beat very fast, faster than you can count. That is why it can hover and stay in one place. Can you pretend to flap your arms super fast now? Wow, that looks funny, but also a little tiring, right? Unlike bees, this buzzing sound feels a bit more intense. That sound helps warn others that something is nearby. Why do you think sounds help animals stay safe? Point to your ears. Can you hear small sounds around you? The wasp is not here to scare you on purpose. It is looking for food, just like you do every day. Sweet drinks and snacks smell very strong to a wasp. That is why it comes near your juice or candy. Can you think of your favorite sweet snack right now? The wasp also wants energy to keep flying and working. It needs sugar for energy and protein for its babies. Why do babies need food to grow strong and healthy? You are right. Food helps bodies grow and stay active. The wasp flies around, searching carefully for something useful. It is not chasing you. It is following a smell. Can you sniff the air and pretend you are a wasp? Great job! You are learning like a tiny explorer. Sometimes, the wasp suddenly lands on your arm quietly. You feel it and quickly try to move your hand away. But wait, the wasp flies off even faster than before. Why did it leave so quickly without staying longer? It thought your movement was dangerous and escaped fast. Wasps react quickly because they want to stay alive. Can you freeze your body like a statue right now? Imagine the wasp does not see you moving at all. This helps you understand how it notices sudden motion. Its eyes are very good at detecting quick changes. That is why slow movement feels less scary to it. Try moving your hand slowly, like a slow motion robot. Does it feel different from fast, sudden movement? Wasps are hunters, and they catch other small insects. They grab tiny bugs and carry them back home. This helps control many bugs in gardens and homes. Why is it helpful to have fewer harmful insects around? Yes, plants stay healthy and food grows better for everyone. The wasp is like a tiny helper you never noticed. Even toddler learning videos show how nature stays balanced. Now imagine a wasp flying through a busy garden. It spots a caterpillar crawling slowly on a leaf. In one quick move, it grabs and flies away. That was fast. Did you see how quick it acted? This is how it feeds its growing babies. The baby wasps need protein to grow strong bodies. Where do you think baby wasps live safely? They live inside nests, hidden in trees or buildings. These nests look like gray paper shapes stuck together. They are made by chewing wood into soft fibers. Can you pretend to chew and build a tiny nest? That sounds silly, but it shows how they build homes. Some wasps live together in big groups called colonies. Others live alone and take care of everything themselves. Which one sounds harder? Living alone or in a group? Living in a group helps protect the queen and babies. That is why they defend their nest very strongly. If something gets too close, they may try to sting. But wait, they do not sting for no reason. They sting only when they feel strong danger nearby. Why do you protect yourself when something feels unsafe? Exactly. It is the same idea for the wasp. Its sting is like a tiny alarm and defense tool. It can use it more than once if needed. Most stings happen when people move suddenly near them. Can you remember a time you moved too quickly? Now imagine the wasp thinking that movement is danger. It reacts quickly because it must survive every day. Its world is full of threats and fast decisions. This makes it seem aggressive, but it is not. It is simply reacting to what it feels around it. Let us follow a tiny story of one wasp. Now, a wasp flies near a picnic table full of food. It smells sweet juice and lands near a cup. A hand suddenly moves, and the wasp jumps away fast. It circles in the air, watching from a distance. Then, it returns slowly when everything feels calm again. Did you notice how it avoids danger instead of fighting? This shows it prefers safety over attacking anything. Wasps also help pollinate some flowers while searching for food. They move pollen from one flower to another quietly. Why do flowers need help spreading pollen around? Yes, it helps plants grow fruits and seeds. So the wasp helps plants and controls other insects too. That sounds like an important job for a tiny creature. Can you think of another animal that helps nature? You are learning so many cool facts right now. Many people feel scared when they see a wasp nearby, but understanding it makes the fear a little smaller. It is not a monster. It is part of nature. Its actions follow simple rules of survival and protection. Can you say survival? That is a big word today. Survival means staying alive and keeping your family safe. The wasp follows this rule every single moment. It searches, reacts, builds, and protects its home. Imagine doing all that every day without stopping. That sounds like a very busy life, right? Without wasps, many insects would grow out of control. Gardens could be full of bugs, eating plants quickly. This would change the balance of the whole environment. So the wasp helps keep everything in check. Next time you see one, try watching calmly from afar. Can you stand still and observe like a scientist? You might notice how carefully it moves around objects. You might see it choosing where to land next. That is you learning from real life, not just videos. Learning videos and toddler learning videos can guide you, but real observation makes learning even more exciting. You found something amazing in something very small today. You learned how wasps move, hunt, and protect themselves. You also learned why they come close to humans. Sometimes. Great job! You are becoming a smart little explorer. Now, here is a question to think about next time. What other tiny creature near you has a hidden, important job? Would you like to explore more insects in the next video? Thriving natural systems. Your understanding of these creatures can shift from fear to a newfound appreciation for their vital work.